We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clear paper jam, and I'm working with an HP LaserJet 4250N. So these are just some simple tips and tricks to do before, while changing out your paper and things like that. So you have this adjustment here. You want to make sure this is in the correct slot for the size of paper that you're using. You don't want to put it too tight or too loose, because then the rollers will not be able to pick up the paper. So make sure it's in the correct spot. You also have an adjustment on this side. If you're using envelopes, labels, or anything like that, and you change this, yet again, just make sure it's in the correct slot. You also have these little tabs here. These are called your max level indicators. You don't want to feel too close to those, because yet again, the rollers will not be able to pick up the paper and it'll cause a jam. Anytime you're adding paper to your tray, it's always good, instead of just like throwing it in there, a lot of times it could not be aligned. So you want to take your old paper, mix it with your new paper. And I like to fan mine out. A lot of times the condensation or humidity in the air can make the pages stick together. So once I fan it out, then I align it all together, stick it in my tray, and I'm good to go. If you're seeing a lot of paper jams, it's probably time to bring your printer in for a service. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.